In this video, I'll show you how to change your meeting background in Microsoft Teams. Changing your background in Teams is a simple way to make your video look cleaner, reduce distractions, or add a more professional look before a call. Microsoft's current support guidance says you can change your background either before you join the meeting or while the meeting is already in progress. Teams also lets you choose from built-in backgrounds, blur your background, or upload your own image in supported versions. First, open Microsoft Teams and go to your meeting. If you want to change the background before joining, select the meeting and click Join. On the pre-join screen, turn on your camera if it is not already on, then click Effects and Avatars or the Background Effects option on that screen. From there, you can choose Blur if you want to hide what is behind you, or pick one of the available backgrounds to apply it to your video feed before entering the meeting. Microsoft notes that you may also be able to upload and apply your own background image. If you are already inside the meeting, you can still change the background at any time. In the meeting controls, click More Actions, which is the three-dot menu, then select Video Effects and Settings. After that, choose Video Effects. You can then select Standard Blur, Portrait Blur, a built-in background, or another available visual effect, depending on your Teams version. This is helpful if you join quickly and decide to update your look after the meeting has started. Before you apply the background, preview it on your camera feed so you can see how it looks. When you are happy with it, click Apply or Apply and turn on video, depending on where you are making the change. Microsoft also says that once you change your background effect, that same setting can stay in place for future meetings until you change it again. One quick tip is to choose a background that looks clean and not too distracting. A subtle, blur, or simple office-style background usually works best for work meetings, interviews, and presentations. And if your organization uses custom-branded meeting themes or backgrounds, you may see those as options too, especially in Teams Premium environments. So the steps are simple. Open your meeting, choose the background effects option, pick blur or a custom background, preview it, and apply it. That's how to change your meeting background in Microsoft Teams. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.